enzyme. In the last part, we will bring enzyme modification to do the one which you were mentioning, site selective mutations, changes in the enzyme to do the reaction. So in the remaining 2 hours or so, we'll discuss aliphatic substrate, as well as we'll discuss enzyme modification to do CH activation, of course.
Okay.
Like this. Okay, everyone. If there is any question, please ask. Otherwise, we'll meet at 1 o'clock. Not 1 o'clock, sorry, 2 o'clock.
Okay.
The aliphatic substrate, because quite a lot of it we have discussed aromatic substrate. We will discuss aliphatic substrate as well as enzyme modification to do catalysis inside the enzyme. Okay. ठीक. Looks like we are okay now for time being. So have a nice lunch. Enjoy your time, and we'll see you back at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Anyone else? Again, once more, if you have any questions, concern, comments, criticism.
Yeah, sir, one comment. I don't have any question, but like as you said, no, that undergrad syllabus need to be revised in terms of this organometallic chemistry. I really feel like, yeah, it should be done, because undergrads, no, they won't go through the review of literature or the other things. They are not in a habit to, read out the papers and all. So if it can be introduced in the syllabus, it will be a new and very informative thing for that. And what I feel is like, if it can be done from your end, like talking to the authorities and all, then they will definitely consider it. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Actually, we are in the process. As you know, any changes takes time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are always in the process. We are in the process of developing and modifying things.
Yeah, because we never know who will evolve as a very good chemist who can get change into the world. So it will be really, some exciting things to add in the syllabus.
I would completely agree. That's what indirectly I'm trying to impress upon all of us over here.
Yeah.
And, you don't have to take a lot of it, but at least.
But something, yeah, they should know that, yes, changes are also happening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It should be the traditional knowledge has to be also challenged. The
Yes.
things need to be included. Modern things need to be included. See,
Yes.
most of the books are written, let's say.
So that they won't lack, so that they won't lack the thing.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Plum.
Sir, I saw in your LinkedIn about IIT Bombay Symposium in December, if I'm not wrong. So the discussion is about the same thing, sir.
Yeah, that was correct. That was last year. I did that symposium. This was one of the nearly 500 plus people, 550 or close to 600 people was here. Yeah, we discussed on the same topic.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. It got covered.
Yeah, all across the globe, people have come. Many people have come from outside India. Many from US, Germany, Japan, UK, every country, every developed country. People came and discussed on the topic. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice lunch and see you back at 2 o'clock. As we said, we'll discuss on aliphatic substrate as well as enzyme modification. Okay. ठीक है।